Welcome to Waferank, your first step to VLSI. We are going to talk about pay after placement option in this session. Before that, let's understand what Waferank is all about. Waferank was started by volunteers who wanted to bridge the gap between college and industry, especially with respect to VLSI. We help you with trainings, internship, and entry-level jobs in VLSI. We have courses in domains like circuit design, layout design, design verification, physical design, ASIC design, and FPGA design as of now. You can go through domain-specific details in our YouTube channel. We help students through these training modules. 1. Sponsored training, either by college or company. This is full-time course, so you can't do a job in parallel. 2. Regular training, work integrated weekend batches. Full-time week batches are available under this module. Fees is also very affordable. You can check with us for discounts from time to time. 3. Pay after placement. Pay after placement program are full-time offline courses and you must be within Waferank office to do it. Who is eligible for pay after placement? Eligibility criteria. This option is available only for BE, BTech, ME, MTech and PhD holders. Since it is offline course, you must have finished either of these degrees and not pursuing. We prefer 2020, 21 and 22. However, 23 pass out can also apply. We will have limited seats for recent pass out candidates who can do it full time. You must have scored more than 70% in your degree to be eligible for this. If you are not making with this eligibility, then don't lose your heart. Get into a regular course. You are eligible if you are from any of the streams below: electronics and telecom, electronics and communication, electricals, computers or IT, and also from instrumentation. Overall, if you have studied electronics as a subject, you are most welcome. Here are more details on how to prepare for eligibility test. Prepare on basics of electronics, device physics, semiconductor theory, digital basics, RC networks and aptitude, especially sense of direction and imagination. Overall details about pay after placement. You will have to pay almost zero fee till placement. One-time admin fee is applicable after selection towards infra and admin. Eligibility test is scheduled on 14th and 28th of every month. Training will run for 4 to 5 months. You can attend same class multiple times in other batches. This is completely offline course and no part-time or online is allowed. The pay after placement fee can be paid in 12 easy installments after placements. Registration link as below. Here are important dates and links. Registration link for the test as below. You can register anytime. There is no cutoff. Test is scheduled on 14th and 28th of every month, 6 p.m. for an hour. Result will be announced on or before 1 week after the test is done. New batches will start 1 week after the result announcement. Monthly 2 batches for layout, design verification and physical design. Monthly 1 batch for other domains as per demand. For example, if you register before 7th April, then you can appear for the test on 15th of April. We will announce result on or before 22nd of April and batch will start on 2nd of May. Thanks for your time. You can like and subscribe us for more learning videos. Your first step to VLSI.